Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Sports and Life. Today we are going to see why we need to see ISL and why we need to support Indian football so that Indian football prospers. So I'll give you four reasons. So if you feel that they are right, please do support. So first reason is that Indians see foreign leagues like La Liga or Premier League. Consider if you see their league, they will be getting more financial benefits and they are going to have good amount of players. It's because you are seeing their leagues, they are getting good players. It's not that they can afford all the players. It's also because you guys support them. So there are more than 30 crore people in India watching football, but there is only 1 crore viewership for ISL. So there is 30 times more viewership for some other leagues. So please do support our league so that our league also improves, our financial condition also improves. So that is first point. And second point is that if we see our league, definitely our league players will get more salary. Even we get good rights sold from TV, so that each team gets some amount of it. So once each team gets some amount of prize, definitely they are going to invest in play. So once we get good players in our team, definitely our football will improve. So a few of them are really good, like you can see in the video that you can see Roy Krishna. Roy Krishna is such a good player, so that we can get players of quality. So to get quality players, we need to get more TV rights and all. That will happen if you start viewing. Third point is that each ISL team or each ISL clubs are facing around 20 to 30 lakhs rupees of debt each year. So it's not that if we are rich we are going to support football, and if we are like middle class or something, we don't care about Indian football. We need to see quality football. So to get quality football in India is only responsibility of rich, is what we are thinking. That's wrong. That's what that's where we are falling short. So it's each and everyone's responsibility that we support Indian football, so that the loss which they are incurring right now, maybe it could be TV rights deal which may increase, or it could be like the ticket sales, it may increase, or it could be shirt sale which could increase. You might make a small difference in that. And fourth reason is like livelihood. Most of the Indian players, what happens is like they start playing football, they'll be good, they'll be competing in national stage around 16 to 19 with whatever facility they have. Later they will be not able to support the family, so they have to go back and support the family. So this is what is been happening in India. So Indians are not able to get right amount of money into as player could not look after himself or his family. How will he able to play happily? So those are the things. If we are supporting them, definitely they will get good salary. I have not seen like more than 20 players before getting good salary, but for the salary and commitment they show, I think they were actually playing well. See that if you are giving crores of rupees to some foreign club, then they are going to invest that in buying good footballers, and you say their gameplay is better. So that's not how it works. Just try to do your contribution for next 10 years. Definitely India will be able to achieve that. If you see our Indian under 23 team, they have been performing really well with whatever they have done. So just try to do that, and I think we'll be able to uh, prosper really better than what we have done before. Currently our ranking in football is pretty low, but if you start supporting, definitely we will try to improve it at least by 50 ranks, so that we will be able to compete in FIFA sometime or the other. Otherwise, you just tell that we India is not in FIFA, so we are FIFA World Cup, so it's so bad. You can't tell that. First, start supporting, then people will come. But anyway, places like Kerala, that's why I like Manjappa a lot. Uh, in places like Kerala or in places like Kolkata or Goa, the sporting culture of football is really good. But right now it has been improving a little bit in Bangalore and Chennai. So apart from that, I don't see it improving drastically. But in even in sectors like Punjab or Delhi, it is improving a little bit. So we need to improve all those things, and we need to improve our facilities so that we do our contribution towards football. Yeah, thank you.